Hey everybody, and welcome to Furniture Flip. Today we're feeling a bit spacey, not in our heads, but on top of this kids' room dresser.
To create this Galactic look, we used Color Shift paint. And to create those stenciled space themes, we used the space stencils from this value pack. Now these stencils can be used on something like this to create furniture and home decor. You can use them on a hoodie like this, or even a t-shirt.
So strap yourselves in and get ready to blast off into a new dimension.
Hi, I'm Cathie, and that's Steve.
And together, we like to flip furniture. We started with a plain dresser from a box store. To prime the dresser, we used 1 coat of FolkArt home decor chalk in rich black. To create our galaxy sky, we used FolkArt Color Shift paints and Mod Podge Mega Glitter. To create dimension, we are splattering paint white FolkArt home decor chalk with a toothbrush. Load the brush and flick it. Next, add the colored layers. Use a damp sea sponge, dip into the color shift. Sponge onto the dresser. My first color is Purple Flash. My second color is Aqua Flash. And my third color is Blue Flash. Now I'm using a damp rag to feather the edges. A feather is perfect for creating waves in the sky. This is Red Flash. I'm continuing to layer more Color Shift colors. Create bursts by blowing paint with a straw. Once everything is dry, I top coated with Mod Podge Mega Glitter. This will protect my paint and create millions of stars. To highlight my stars, I'm adding a dot of Glitterific.
For our stenciled space designs, we're using 3 stencils from the Kids Decor 12x12 FolkArt set. You get 81 designs in this set. Punch out your stencils. We are base coating our stencil design with FolkArt Home Decor Chalk in Parisian Gray. I'm only using a small amount of paint on my stencil brush, and I'm tapping over the stencil. Once the chalk has dried, I'm adding a fine sparkle coat with FolkArt Sequin Silver Multi-Surface Paint. I'm adding chunky highlights with Glitterific. To add a glowing effect, we're using FolkArt Super Glow. Use a paintbrush to apply to the areas where you want a glow-in-the-dark look.
I love the extra touch of the super glow effect.
It's so fun for a kid's room, and especially at nighttime. And you know, so many parents are DIYing their kids' room decor now.
Yeah, you know what? This can be done on any kid's furniture.
Yeah, beds, desks, nightstands, you name it.
Okay, I think we did a pretty good job. And I think you're pretty far out.
You're pretty corny. If you want to see more Furniture Flip, give us a like, a share, thumbs up, leave a comment. We're happy to answer any of your questions.
See you next time. Bye.